next to you. So then I ask him, I say, where are your kids? And he goes, why do you want to know? How old are these children? I say, I don't see any kids. He goes, they're on the front of the plane getting their bags still, like they'll be back here soon. This makes me think that these kids are older. And so for even more reason, you don't really need to sit by them. Even if they're young kids sitting on an airplane, you're gonna be fine. We're all on the plane. It's not like they can go anywhere. It's not like they can just get off at a bus stop. We're gonna be in the sky. Okay, they're gonna be fine. I'm like, you know what? I like, they're not even back here. I don't want to deal with it. Like, I'm gonna just lay here. And he goes, you're serious? You're not gonna let a father sit next to his kids? At this point, people are looking at us, and this is like, oh, I just wanted to get on the airplane early to not have to deal with anything. So I'm like I'm sorry that like there weren't